Now, I'm going to give you guys a chance to walk through here, and you'll see as you do through, just walk under any one of them as you go on to the next stop and take a look straight up. You'll see one of the most beautiful depictions, artistic depictions, or depictions of any kind that I can see of the concept of infinity. And there's a whole story behind how we get that concept of infinity here. So do enjoy your view into infinity as you walk under. Just pick one of them, walk underneath, look up as you go. So we talked about the exterior structure of this piece, This Land Is Your Land, but a lot of what's going on is to do with what you see on the inside. And I hope you had a chance all to look up, and you see what looks like a pattern that just goes on forever. It's really hard to see, where it doesn't seem to ever end. And so where does that image come from? Well, I mean, you may have all had this happen. You go into maybe a bathroom, you're between two sets of mirrors, or it's an effect that we can actually recreate with a pair of mirrors here. If I get them just about lined up, I can start to see reflections of reflections of reflections, and see sort of what looks like a long hallway. But it's hard to get it lined up, because whenever I get it so it's going sort of on for a long, long distance, it's like I really want to be looking from here, and I've got the back of the mirror in the way. So what the artist did here is very clever. The bottom surface of this artwork is actually a membrane that lets half of the light come through, or roughly half of the light, and reflects half of the light back up. So it's really as if you could look here and you see half of each reflection coming back down to you from the back and forth bounce. And that's what allows you to see reflection after reflection after reflection going off up into the distance.